Today I went fruit Rubik's Cube shopping. So I got an apple, an orange, and a tomato Rubik's Cubes. And all have to try find which one is the odd one. The answer is the tomato cube because it's a pomodoro. These are the Rubik's Cubes. This is an apple Rubik's Cube. The real life apple Rubik's Cube because it's literally apple. It's not like this one. It's not like that, it's more hard because it has no colors and then you just only have to look at the shape. It's kind of like a mirror cube, but I think it's harder. And here's the orange cube. I messed it up while doing it. So these two cubes are very hard to do and solve. These two cubes are quite hard, and yes, it's quite hard.